Welcome to FiberONE. Installing the FRITZ box in the media distributor. In this case, the fiber optic port is in the upper connection strip implemented in the multimedia distribution cabinet and is usually marked with FiberONE or fiber optics port. After you unpack your router, it can be installed in the multimedia distributor with the help of the existing clamp or Velcro strap. Then plug the power adapter of the router into the power strip and the other end into the space provided on the back of the router. When your router is connected to power, it lights up briefly and then it takes about 2 minutes until the router has finished booting up. Now take your included fiber optic cable and plug the green end into the AON module in the back of the router. This is labeled fiber. Plug in the other end of the fiber optic cable into port 1 of your fiber optic point. Remember, you can also have a white connection box that is marked neutral or with FiberONE. Port 1 is the one used here too. As soon as the power LED on your FRITZ box glows consistently, you can activate your booked service. Would you like to see more? Here are more videos from us.